Welcome to Little Steps English, the place where stories teach you English in the most fun and natural way. In every video, we bring you real-life stories, famous people, and inspiring moments, all told in simple, clear English to help you learn, while enjoying every second. So grab your headphones, relax, and let the story begin. The life of Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin was one of the greatest comedians in history. He was born on April 16th, 1889, in London, England. His full name was Charles Spencer Chaplin. His childhood was not easy. His parents were performers, but they were very poor. His father died when Charlie was young, and his mother became very sick. As a result, Charlie and his brother had to live in a workhouse, a place for poor children. Life was hard, but Charlie never stopped dreaming. From a young age, Charlie loved to act and make people laugh. He joined a group of child dancers, and soon people saw that he had real talent. In 1910, he went to the United States with a comedy show. He liked America, and America liked him. In 1914, he started working in silent films. That same year, he created his most famous character, Tramp. This funny character wore big shoes, a small hat, a cane, and had a little mustache. People around the world loved him. Charlie wasn't only an actor, he was also a writer, director, and producer. He made many famous films like The Kid, 1921, City Lights, 1931, Modern Times, 1936, and The Great Dictator, 1940. His movies were full of humor, but they also had important messages. In Modern Times, he showed how machines were changing people's lives. In The Great Dictator, he spoke against hate and war. Charlie became very rich and famous, but he also faced problems. In the 1950s, the US government accused him of having communist ideas. Because of this, he left America and moved to Switzerland with his family. He continued to make films, but he was sad to leave the country where he became a star. In 1972, after many years, the US invited Charlie back. He received an honorary Oscar for his work. During the ceremony, the audience gave him a standing ovation that lasted for over 10 minutes, one of the longest in Oscar history. Charlie Chaplin died on December 25th, 1977, but his legacy lives on. His movies are still watched and loved around the world. He showed that laughter is powerful and that one man, even without words, can touch the hearts of millions. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you enjoyed it and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Steps English. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a story. Every video is a new chance to learn and grow in English. See you in the next story.